Welcome, in front of me I have LG K62 Plus and I will show you how fingerprint sensor works in the smartphone, and you can find fingerprint sensor right here on the right edge. It's linked with the power key. So let's make the small test, let's see how it performs. So as you can see, it works every time. It can recognize our fingerprint every time, so we can say that this sensor is reliable. Maybe it's not the fastest sensor that you can find in the smartphone, but it's not that bad for their price. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.